we go. Fridge is going in. This is a Dometic NRX 115C 12-volt fridge, brought to you by Vanlife Outfitters. I can't say enough about this fridge. Today we're going to be installing it in my new camper van. As you can see, we're in the middle of a snowstorm, but we're inside the van today. The heater is blasting, and we're going to see if this fits into my kitchen. Wow, that could not be a more perfect fit. Holy cow. And then we're going to wire it in, throw a fuse in, we'll do some tests, make sure it works, program it, and throw some cold ones in. And hopefully by the end of the day, we have a new working fridge in my camper van. And the coolest part about this fridge, and this is why I picked this fridge, one is a stand-up fridge, and two, it's also a freezer. So this top section, which is removable, and you can program the whole fridge to either be the whole thing's a freezer, the whole thing's a fridge, or the fridge down the bottom, freezer on top combo, and that's what I'm going for. A very important thing with these fridges is ventilation, and as you can see, I have the stove on top. We have this good ventilation from the top, so we can have airflow, ventilation from the side. So I'm not gonna have a sidewall in this cabinet space, so we have more ventilation on this side. Fun fact about fridges in general, they create more heat energy than coldness, if that makes sense. Fun fact. So I'm wiring this in with 10 gauge wire. It might be a little bit of overkill, but I've tried to overbuild this whole van, especially on the electrical side, just so we have no issues. Back in, and it is wired in. Super easy. Let's throw a fuse in and see if it works. All right, we're throwing a 20 amp fuse in. Should be good to protect this fridge from any short circuits. This fuse box was also brought to me by Vanlife Outfitters. They have everything you need for these vans. Fridge, fuse box, lights, everything. So we're gonna throw this fuse in right here. Oh, I heard a beep. So let's hope there's a light on in the fridge. And there is. Man, I love when things just work. Nothing makes me happier. Now I'm gonna go find the instructions for how to program this. All right, so we just programmed this fridge. It's really cool. This has 5 different coldness settings. And what is really cool is they have an eco mode. So right now I have it in eco mode. There's also a quiet mode for maybe if you're sleeping, where it quiets the compressor. Then you can go down to the coldest mode, maybe if you're plugged in at a campsite for a while. And then lastly, there's a freezer mode where the whole thing can turn to a freezer, like I was saying. So super easy to use. I mean, there's literally 2 buttons and then an on-off button. Let's throw some cold beverages in here and we'll enjoy something in a little bit. All right, some brewskis. Some real American beer going in. We've let the fridge cool down and I can feel it, and it is working hard. We're gonna have our first drink in the van in the new fridge. Celebrate the van come together. There we go. Let's go. Ah, so refreshing. If you guys want this fridge or anything else from the other videos you have seen of me, head over to Vanlife Outfitters. They have an amazing customer support system. They'll help you get squared away for your van and your build. And seriously, can't thank them enough. They have made this build possible. And this fridge is game-changing. This is gonna take this van to a new level, allowing me to cook, allowing me to keep cold food, even in that freezer. Maybe we'll get some ice cream going. And yeah, having a first beer in the van. So yeah, we'll enjoy this and see you guys next time. Damn, look at her. That is gorgeous. Stainless steel.